of Minecraft. Oh, what's going on? Minecraft is cancelled for the week, so you just have to go this now. Darn it, Minecraft. Okay, I'm sprinting as fast as I can. I know I was gonna fall because I was sprinting. Sprint. Darn you, sprint. So when I'm done with this video, I'm gonna play it without the recording off cam. So let's do this. So slow now. It's supposed to be slow. Not slow, but slow. Because if I set up sprinting overdoing, yeah, it didn't work out again. Wow. See, this is so hard. I know what I'm gonna do. Gonna go into classes, TNT, and lava, and also power. Okay, 3, 2. I know it's gonna be. I just started right now. Ah! I'm lagging. Oh, sucks. So this is gonna be the last one, and then I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. So this is the last one. Yeah, this is the last one. And then subscribe, Tammy. Subscribe. I know you're watching. I know everybody who's watching. Leave a comment and subscribe. Please subscribe and leave a like. Please leave a like. Let's get 300 likes on this, or about 5 or 10 likes. Cause I knew it. Okay, let's have one more go, and then I'll see you guys when. And then I have to go after this and play some more. I'm gonna stall like freaking 5 or something. 5. Thank you guys for watching too, because I know how many views. I always look at my channel. Please subscribe. Please just subscribe. If you hear a cracking noise, that's just my tablet. Come on. Sorry about that. Games, Mojang, Minecraft Worlds. Look how many I have. Let's install like a couple more. Install background. Install. It's lagging. Quit lagging, because I'm recording. Quit recording. I'm just kidding. Extract. Hey. Extract. Whoa. Come on. One more, come on. Extract. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Okay, we're doing one more for you guys. And so let's do, let me close these. It was a couple, not that much. Oh my god. Holy Christmas nuts. From taking it from you, you got saturation. And I'm standing on it. Oh, that'd be cool. Oh, come on. Let's give this a head start. One. Should start breaking. No. It was not breaking. Okay, that was it, guys. Is it breaking? No. Okay. Oh, there you go, nuts. Well, I'll just... So that was it, guys, and thank you for watching. See you guys later. Bye.